They say love don't cost a dime, don't cost no money. Sometimes I be out of it, don't wanna see nobody.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I am going to be showing you guys a couple of my favorite meals that I like to meal prep to help with my weight loss journey. We are starting off with salmon. I already took the skin off the back and then I also cut them into portion sizes. And now I am seasoning them with one of my favorite seasonings, Lawry's garlic salt. And I'm just going to use the excess seasoning on the side to season the sides of it, and just to get all of that seasoning so that the entire fish has seasoning all over. We don't want to waste any seasoning. Then after that, we're going to take it to the pan and sear it. So I am using avocado oil. That's one of the healthier oils that you can use. You can also use vegetable oil, olive oil if that's all you have also. But I'm going to put these in the pan, try and make them all fit. And I also have the pan on a medium-high heat because we want to get these done. We want to just get a nice sear to them. They don't take long at all. Maybe like 3 to 4 minutes on each side I like to do. So as you guys see that nice white coming on the bottom, that means that other side is kind of starting to get done. So I'm going to throw about a tablespoon of butter in there. And then I'm going to flip it as the butter melts. And you guys are going to watch me struggle to flip this fish because I don't know what was going on with it today. It did not want to cooperate. But once I get them flipped, then you guys will let it sit on the other side for another like 3 to 4 minutes. And now I am taking the excess, that butter and oil mixture, and I'm just spooning it on top just to kind of keep the top part cooking as the bottom cooks. It's like a technique so that I don't have to flip it again, basically. And then we're just going to get a pan ready and we are going to transfer it into the pan. This meal is so simple to make, guys, like probably I would say like less than like 10 minutes all together. So I'm just going to put them all in the pan, let them sit for a couple of minutes. And then after that, I'm going to get my bowls, my meal prep bowls together and transfer them to the bowl and pair them with a veggie. So as you guys can see, I paired it with string beans. Sometimes I do Brussels sprouts or maybe just a simple spinach is also good, but it's all up to you. Next, we're going to move on to me cutting up cantaloupe. I just wanted to come on and show you guys. I'm sure you guys know how to cut up a cantaloupe, but I'm just showing you guys how I like to cut it up and have them already in a bowl so that in the morning or, when right before a meal, I like to start off having a type of fruit. So this is already ready in the refrigerator to have. I just grab a bowl, spoon it in there, and then it's ready to eat. I don't have to even think about it. It's there. It's right in my face. So that's one of the things that has been helping me with my weight loss journey. And I hope you guys can take that tip away from it. So I use an ice cream scooper to scoop out, I'm going to call it the guts of it. And then just using a knife to cut one side and then flip it and then slice the other side, and then it pops right out. Then I'm going to just start cutting. I cut down into slices, and then you're going to see me cut into like almost perfect, I would say like triangles, I guess you can call it. And it just looks nice. That's just the way I like to cut it. Then we're going to move on to the chili. Also one of my favorite meals. I'm starting off with ground beef, of course, and you guys can use whatever type of ground meat that you like. I am sprinkling a little bit of beef bouillon. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but beef bouillon powder on there. And then I also have a packet of the chili seasoning mix on it. You guys can use your own chili mix if you want, but I choose to use this. And after I do that, then I'm going to add a cup of water in here just so that it doesn't stick to the pan, because I already drained off the oil from the ground beef. And then I'm just going to start mixing all of that up, get it nicely combined until it looks, you know, nice and gooey and all mixed up together. And I'm also mixing this on like probably a low heat, I believe, just so that it doesn't start to burn. And then next I transfer this to the crock pot. And now I'm adding what looks like dog food, but I promise you it is not dog food. It is a mixture of black beans and kidney beans that I cooked in a pot on the side. And I just overcooked it a little bit, but it was still really good. I'm also adding 2 cans of corn to the pot, and then a cup of water to it. And then you also don't see, but I added a can of diced tomatoes to it off camera. And now I am just mixing it all up so that everything is nicely combined. And you guys can also do this on the top of the stove if you want, but I just choose to do it in the crock pot. That way I can just set it, and I set it on low for about like, I would say like 3 to 4 hours. But you guys can cook it on top of the stove and let it simmer for like an hour. And that's it, guys. So after that, I put it into my meal prep bowls and it's ready for the week. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks.